Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the core ingredients for a delicious, easy guacamole. In this video, I will show how to make guacamole easy. First, choose 3 perfectly ripe avocados. They should yield gently to pressure. Next, you'll need 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, chopped. Don't forget 1 small jalapeno, minced, for a touch of heat. Now, let's get to the simple preparation. Carefully halve your avocados, remove the large pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado until it's as smooth or chunky as you prefer. Then, fold in your diced red onion, fresh cilantro, and the minced jalapeno. Achieving the perfect flavor is key for easy guacamole. Squeeze in the juice from 1/2 a fresh lime. This brightens everything up beautifully. Next, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir, then taste and adjust any seasonings to your personal preference. Your delicious, easy guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetables, or as a topping for tacos. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to prevent browning. This helps keep it fresh for up to 2 days. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.